If you want to tell stories, novels, short tales, scripts, or even games, but don't have time or resources to record voiceovers, AI voice tools have changed the game. In 2025, ElevenLabs stands out as one of the most powerful voice AI platforms out there for creators. In this video, I'll show you why ElevenLabs is ideal for storytelling, how it works, and how you can turn your written stories into engaging, professional-sounding audio. Let's start with the basics. What is ElevenLabs and what makes it great for narration? ElevenLabs uses advanced deep learning models to convert text into speech, but not just robotic, flat speech. Its AI analyzes the meaning, tone, and context of the text, then generates natural-sounding voice narration with realistic pacing, intonation, and emotion. That means your stories, whether dramatic, whimsical, scary, or heartwarming, get a voice that actually feels human. One of the most powerful features of ElevenLabs is voice cloning and customization. If you want consistency, say the same narrator voice across multiple stories, or a signature brand voice, you can even upload a short voice sample and let the AI clone that voice. The result? A custom digital narrator that reads your script, staying true to tone, accent, and style. This is especially useful if you want to keep a recognizable voice without needing to re-record every time. For storytelling creators, another big plus is multi-speaker support and dialogue handling. If your story has multiple characters, conversations, or branching dialogue, like in interactive stories or games, ElevenLabs can generate distinct voices for different characters with changes in tone, pacing, and emotion without you needing to hire multiple voice actors. This can make audiobooks, narrative games, or dramatized stories feel more dynamic and immersive. Also, ElevenLabs supports long-form narration and multiple languages. So, whether you're creating a full-length audiobook, a video series, or want to reach global audiences by dubbing your text into different languages, the platform has you covered. Practically, here's how you could use ElevenLabs for a storytelling workflow. You write your story or script, paste it into the tool, select or design the voice, or use your cloned voice. Maybe tag tone or emotion if supported, e.g. dramatic pause, whisper, excitement, and hit generate. Within minutes, sometimes less, you have a high-quality narration. From there, you can export it and use it for audiobooks, YouTube videos, narrations, games, or social media storytelling. That ease and speed dramatically reduce the cost and time compared to traditional voiceovers. No studio needed, no equipment, no voice actors, just your writing. For indie authors, small content creators, educators, and game developers, this is a game changer. But a quick caveat. AI-generated voices are powerful, and in most cases, good enough. But sometimes you might need to tweak pacing, add background music or effects, or manually adjust emotion for maximum storytelling impact. Treat the generated voice as a solid foundation. You might still want minimal editing for professional results. If you enjoyed this look at using ElevenLabs for storytelling, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'll keep sharing more tools, tips, and creative workflows for writers, creators, and storytellers.